2017 CRV. This has a 1.5 liter in it, and the dealership says they need a head gasket and a turbo. I'll show you the paperwork. Here's what the dealer said. I have this covered up because I don't want to call out anybody's name particularly, but this is a dealership locally, and drivability concern, not running properly, will hardly go up hills. Foreign diagnostic, needs turbo, head gasket, and injectors and spark plugs. Customer decline repairs. So I find that really odd that it would need a head gasket and a turbo. I'm not saying this ain't true, but we're gonna find out. I have a battery charger on it because the battery was dead. We're gonna put a scan tool on it. I know when I started it up yesterday, it was just misfiring all over the place. Turn on the vehicle, scanning it. Honda CRV. Okay, here's the codes that we're dealing with. I'd already printed and saved them off camera. And these are the ones I'm concerned about, is all these misfires. I want to see what is going on here. Why is this thing misfiring when you start it up? Does it have a blowed head gasket? I don't know. Misfire 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's start it up. Holy cow. 1 is a dead miss. 1 and 2. What is that sound? And now it quit misfiring. I don't know what, that noise sounded awful. It sounded like it's coming from the turbo. Okay, we heard the turbo. It sounds like something's falling apart in there. It also has horrible misfires on startup. Possible that's from the turbo. I'm not sure, but I just want to check compression across all cylinders real quick. All I gotta do is start this. It wants me to crank the engine basically. And I have the injectors disabled, so it'll just crank. Boom, so we're 100% across the board. That's good. So earlier in the video, we heard a bunch of rattling from this area. That's where the impeller and turbine is from the turbo. Underneath this is the cold air ram air supply. This is what this pipe here pushes the air into the intercooler and comes back around back into the intake that way. You can see the pipe running there. But anyway, I want to see, I hear something rattling in this area. So I want to take this off, maybe stick a camera up in there and see if we can actually see what's going on. So yeah, we'll do that next because something definitely mechanically is wrong on this turbo. All right, start it up. All right, turn it off. Yeah, there's pieces and chunks off of it. Okay, as you remember on the paper before that I showed you, the dealership paper, it said it had a blowed head gasket. I don't know if it does, but we're checking that now. Okay, we have a problem here. It must have a blowed head gasket too. You can see the water. I have a camera stuck down in the spark plug hole, and you can see that drip right there. There it is. Yeah, that's a blowed head gasket. That's really unfortunate. Well, I guess this is the end of this video for this Honda. It's going to need a head gasket and a turbo. I actually found an engine for a pretty good deal with a turbo. So I talked to the customer and they act like they're going to go with it. If they do, they might be a video of a engine R&R on a CRV 2017. Not 100% sure if I will film that. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Catch y'all on the next one.